Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can create a community on Roblox, and it will be a step-by-step video for you guys. So without any further ado, let's get started. So as you can see, we are already landed in our Roblox application in here in my desktop. So here you just need to click on more. Once you click over here, then here you will find out a couple of options like marketplace, to quick sign up, whatever you can see here. You all are workable for you. So here you just need to find out the communities options and then just click over that place. Once you click over here, then here eventually you will get to search communities or create a community option. Just click over here, create community. Once you click over here, then here you just need to provide your name, then give a description. It is optional, you can provide it or not. Then you just need to select an image from your computer and place it here, and you just need to click on this icon. So let me give a name that here, and let's give an image over that place. Let's say we are going to add this image here, and now you can see we are able to create this community. So this is the easiest way to create communities on Roblox. If you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again.